Outer loop. Python for I in range 1-6, numbers from 1 to 5. The outer loop iterates over rows in the multiplication table. The variable I represents the current row number. Range 1-6 generates numbers from 1 to 5, inclusive. The loop will run 5 times, once for each row. Inner loop. Python for j in range 1-6, numbers from 1 to 5. The inner loop iterates over the columns in each row. The variable j represents the current column number. For every value of I row, the inner loop goes through all values of j columns, creating all combinations of row and column numbers. Printing the product, Python print FII2 and IIJ calculates the product of the current row number, I, and column number, j. FI2 ensures that each number is printed with at least 2 characters of width, so the table remains aligned. End equals. This prevents the print statement from moving to the next line after printing. Instead, it adds a space after each product, so all products for the current row are printed on the same line. Moving to the next row. Python print. After completing one row when the inner loop finishes, this print statement moves the cursor to the next line. Without this, all rows would print on the same line. 1. The outer loop runs for I equals 1, and the inner loop executes 5 times for j equals 1 to 5, printing the first row of the table. 2. After the inner loop completes, print moves the cursor to the next line. 3. The outer loop increments I to 2, and the inner loop runs again, printing the second row. 4. This process repeats for all rows, I equals 1 to 5. Output. The output is a multiplication table for numbers 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 10, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 4, 8, 12, 16, E5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Key concepts. 1. Nested loops. The outer loop iterates through rows. The inner loop iterates through columns for each row. 2. Formatting. The 2 ensures proper alignment of numbers in the table. 3. Flow control. ND keeps numbers on the same line. Print moves to the next row. This structure is widely used for grid-based operations like tables, matrices, or even creating patterns.